Good morning, I'm Faye Thompson. This morning we're going to do a cookie called Santa's Thumbprints. 1.5 cups of Crisco, and it's a buttered flavor. 1 cup of brown sugar. And we have 1 egg. I'm going to beat this up right now. I'll let this Crisco out all night so it beat up better. Now we're going to add our vanilla flavor. 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. 2.5 cups of oats. 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 2 cups of all-purpose flour. We're going to add that gradually. It's getting pretty solid now. You can use any kind of preserves or jellies that you want to in the center of this. Today I thought we'd use strawberry. It'd be pretty since it's close to Christmas, and I like strawberry anyway, so I'm gonna stir this up a little bit with a spoon. Be sure we got it mixed up real good. These are pecans, and 1 3/4 cup of chopped pecans, and they're cut up real fine. See how fine I cut them? Now, you can use other nuts if you want to. I just prefer to use pecans. And then we're going to use this Smucker's strawberry preserves to go in the middle of the cookie. You'll see that when we get there to it. I think we're just about ready to start. I want these in 1-inch balls, and it looks like that's about it. We'll press them after we get the balls made up. Now that we have all our little cookies rolled into balls, we're going to take them and roll them in the chopped pecans. Do every one of them. That's the reason you want your pecans pretty small, cut up pretty small. We're going to roll these 1-inch, they're supposed to be 1-inch balls, mine might be a little big. We're going to roll them in pecans. And then we're going to make an indentation in them with the thumb and put preserves in them, and they'll be ready to bake. It doesn't take that long to do these. These are easy made. Now we have our cookies rolled into pecans, and basically what you're supposed to do is take your thumb and press an opening, a little indentation in the middle. I think we can use a little that little spoon looks about all right to just make our indentation with that, and you won't have to use your thumb. Now if they start breaking up around the edges, just take your finger and kind of pull and push them back together. Now this would be a great cookie to cook with your little children, grandchildren, great-grandchildren. Mine's great-grandchildren. I know now why they call them great-grandchildren. That's what they are. It doesn't take long to do this. You can use any kind of preserves you want to. This would be such a fun cookie to do with your children at Christmas time. I used to do this with some of mine. We got about 40 cookies out of this recipe. You bake them for about 12 minutes until they're golden brown around the edges. And I really like these cookies. Our Santa Thumbprint cookies are finished. And I hope you try these, and I hope you enjoy them as much as we do. And thank you for watching.